Hello everyone, this is Deepti. To understand chemistry very well, it is very important to know the basic concepts of chemistry. Among that, today I am going to discuss about one of the important basic concepts of chemistry, that is oxidation and reduction. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button to get the regular notification. Okay then, let's start. Welcome to Light Up. Oxidation and reduction. So oxidation can be defined in different ways based on electrons, hydrogen and oxygen. So let us see the definition. The first definition of oxidation is oxidation involves loss of electrons. Oxidation involves loss of electron. This is based on electron definition. Again, the next one is the oxidation involves removal of hydrogen. Removal means that it may be loss or removal of hydrogen. Based on hydrogen, I mean giving the definition for oxidation. So the third one is based on oxygen. Oxidation involves addition of oxygen. These are the three different definitions. So next coming to the reduction. So reduction means a gain of electrons. Gaining. The electrons are gained. So next one, based on hydrogen, addition of hydrogen, and based on oxygen, removal of oxygen. So when we compare oxidation and reduction, there is the opposite definition for oxidation. The reduction is opposite a definition. Here the loss of electron, here the gain of electron. Here the removal of hydrogen, here the addition of hydrogen. And here addition of oxygen, and in reduction, removal of oxygen. Let us detailedly know about the definition of these three concepts. The first one is loss of electron. Loss of electron in oxidation, and reduction, gain of electron. So let me take the example for this. NaCl. So sodium combines with chlorine to form a sodium chloride. This is the common example. Sodium chloride. That is a common salt. How this sodium chloride is formed? Sodium plus chlorine forms sodium chloride. Here the sodium carry positive charge and chlorine carry negative charge to form a sodium chloride salt. How this sodium get positive charge? How this sodium get positive charge? How this chlorine get negative charge? Let's see. This positive sign, the positive sign on the sodium indicates the loss of electron, and the negative sign indicates the gain of electron. Let's see what this sodium does. So sodium loses its one electron to form sodium ion. Sodium loses its one electron to form sodium ion. This loss of one electron is called as what? Oxidation. So sodium showing oxidation process. Sodium is converted into sodium ion by the loss of electron. We call this as oxidation. So next, chlorine. This chlorine gain one electron to form chlorine ion. The chlorine gaining one electrons, it is gaining one electron to form chlorine ion. Gain of electron, gain. So gain of electrons means gain of electron, that is reduction. It's showing reduction process. So sodium showing oxidation, it's showing oxidation, and chlorine reduction. So both oxidation and reduction is carrying in single reaction. both oxidation and reaction are taking place in a single reaction. Therefore, this reaction is called as a redox reaction. Both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in the single reaction is called redox reaction. Here red. So red indicates reduction and ox indicate oxidation. Redox reaction. This is the example for oxidation and reduction NaCl. So oxidation means loss of electron. Here losing the electron. Reduction means gain of electron. Okay. So this is the first definition of oxidation and reduction. So the next definition is removal of hydrogen in oxidation and in reduction addition of hydrogen. Second definition, removal of hydrogen in oxidation and in reduction addition of hydrogen. Let us see some examples. Example for removal of hydrogen: magnesium hydride converted into magnesium with the release of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. So magnesium hydride is converted into magnesium and hydrogen has been released. This is the example for removal of hydrogen. So one more example, that is the CH3 single bond CH3. It is converted into CH2 double bond CH2. So CH3 CH3, here one hydrogen and from here another hydrogen has been removed. So hydrogen has been removed to form CH2 double bond CH2. This is the another example for oxidation, that is removal of hydrogen. So next one, addition of hydrogen is the definition for oxidation. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction. Addition of hydrogen. Okay. The example is CH2 double bond CH2. By the addition of hydrogen, it is converted into CH3 single bond CH3. Here the hydrogen is added to each carbon to form CH3 and CH3. So addition of hydrogen is a reduction process. This reaction takes place in the presence of palladium. So one more example is vegetable oil by hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. At 60 degrees Celsius, it is converted into vanaspati. The liquid, the oil is in the liquid condition and the vanaspati is in the solid condition. This is the another example for addition of hydrogen, that is reduction. So oxidation means removal of hydrogen. Hydrogen is removed. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. I am adding hydrogen. So let me give one more example, that is H2S plus Cl2 gives sulfur plus HCl. This is the reaction. Let us see what's happening in this reaction. H2S after the reaction is converted into sulfur. That means the H2S after converting into sulfur, there is a removal of hydrogen. So hydrogen has removed. This process is called removal of hydrogen, means what? It is called oxidation. Oxidation process. Next one, that is chlorine. Chlorine and the reactant side chlorine has converted into HCl. So here there is no hydrogen, and in the product side we find hydrogen. That means the hydrogen has been added. So addition of hydrogen means reduction. So in this reaction, the single reaction, we can observe the oxidation and reduction process. Therefore, this reaction is called a redox reaction. This process is called a redox reaction, where both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Redox reduction and oxidation. This is the second definition of oxidation and reduction. So next, let us move on to the third definition. So second definition is over. Let's move on to the third definition, that is with respect to oxygen. Addition of oxygen means oxidation, and reduction means removal of oxygen. Okay, the third definition. Third one, addition of oxygen. Here, removal of oxygen. Oxidation and reduction. So example for addition of oxygen, that is magnesium combines with oxygen, that is adding the oxygen to form a magnesium oxide. So we are adding oxygen. This process is called oxidation, addition of oxygen. For removal of oxygen, the example is copper oxide, CuO. I am taking the reaction. So CuO plus hydrogen, I am adding hydrogen, copper and water has been formed. Here the removal of oxygen is called as a reduction. See, the copper oxide is converted into copper. Copper oxide is converted into copper. Here the oxygen in the reactant has been removed. So this process from copper oxide to copper is called as a reduction process. Reduction process, removal of oxygen. This is the example. So one more example we can take in this example, that is hydrogen in the reactant is converted into H2O. That means the oxygen is added here. This process is called oxidation. So in this reaction you can observe two types of reaction, that is oxidation and reduction. One more example I'm going to give you, that is zinc oxide plus carbon, that is converted into zinc plus carbon monoxide. Zinc plus carbon monoxide. So observe this reaction. Zinc oxide is converted to zinc and carbon is converted into carbon monoxide. So what kind of reaction? Oxygen is removed. Oxygen is removed here. So removal of oxygen means, what is that? Reduction. Again in the carbon is converted into carbon monoxide. That means addition of oxygen. Here oxygen is added. Addition of oxygen means oxidation. So both reduction and oxidation can be observed in one reaction. Therefore, this kind of reaction is called redox reaction. So I hope you all understood the concept. So this is all about oxidation and reduction with the three types of different definition based on electrons, based on hydrogen and based on oxygen. So oxidation means loss of electrons, reduction means gain of electrons. So then oxidation means removal of hydrogen, here addition of hydrogen. Oxidation means addition of oxygen and reduction means removal of oxygen. With the example I have shown you. So if you have any doubts in this video, you can comment below. And if you like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.